Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Deb.
And as always, I'm Jay.
Right now we're in Clermont, Florida at the
Citrus Tower.
Got a dragon coming out of the guy's lawn. Or is this like a sea monster?
Sea serpent, probably. That's my guess. We thought there's a bunch of plaques that tell us stuff, but it basically says, don't climb this because you will get hurt. Looks like it's made out of all industrial stuff. So like I could see gears, overhead valve, that's from a car or truck. This looks like a crowbar.
Oh yeah. Is that part of a muffler or something?
It looks like a muffler, a tailpipe. Yeah. A lot of interesting. That looks like a top of a lawnmower. Where you pull to start a lawnmower.
Yeah, and they got a bicycle pedal or something.
Where's that? Oh yeah, I see that up there.
Like saw blades.
Uh-huh. Not sure what that big thing is.
It looks like a harpoon or harpoon.
A harpoon? Yeah, I think a tarpoon.
Harpoon. Oh yeah.
There's part of a wrench. And then this, you were noticing this earlier, this is a industrial strength metal cable and a rake. It's nice and cool up here. Oh wow. You can see quite a ways.
We can actually do our
Intro right here, yeah.
we can do it in front of the elevator.
Yeah, there's not many orange groves left here.
Back in the day, we used to be able to see hundreds and hundreds of orange groves out the windows.
So yeah, apparently this all used to be orange groves, like as far as I can see. But then in the 80s, I guess there was a hard freeze that killed almost all of the orange groves. Devastated the whole area.
So now, just like any other place, it's full of subdivisions and stores. And
Mini malls, yeah. Strip malls. It is nice and cool up here. I mean, it's super cool. Disney World, 15 miles. It says Disney World is 15 miles.
gosh, we're that close.
I guess that's what it
Yeah.
says.
Disney World.
There are over 30,000 lakes in Florida. You were just talking about that, remember?
Yeah, I'm like, man, there's everywhere you look, there's a lake
There's a lake.
around
There's
here.
a lake. Everywhere's a lake. Yeah.
Like that one lady said, if it's wet, it's got gators.
That's right. If you want to see if there's gators in your pond, just go and feel it. If it's wet, there's a gator, probably a gator in there. So I guess there's 1,442 natural lakes in Lake County, which is where we are right now. 30,000 in Florida. 30,000 lakes.
Just 1,442 in one county.
Right. Exactly. Get your binoculars.
Oh yeah, we had binoculars. Dang it.
I know, right?
We had them in our trunk. We could have probably seen Disney World.
How far was it?
15 miles.
Oh, that's about the curvature of the Earth. Actually, we're up higher, so we could probably see even further.
So apparently, your ticket's good for all day. It's
Yep.
$10. Well, for 55 and up, it's $10. But I think the regular admission is $11.
Yeah.
But the ticket's good for all day. And a lot of people will bring their dinner up here
Yeah,
and
you can
sit.
bring,
There's a
bring
counter.
outside. You can bring outside food. So
There's
yeah.
a counter with some seating, and they'll come up here and watch the sunset.
And he said there was fireworks, and you can see somewhere, but you can see those from up here as well. It's a cool panoramic view. You
Yeah,
can
it's
literally walk around the whole place.
Full circle. I think we're how far up? 237 feet, something like that.
Something like that, equivalent to a 22-story building. We got one of the citrus twists.
We got the kiddie drink.
This is the
Said the kids love it.
Children's favorites.
Did they used to have this sign here? See Florida from its highest point.
I don't know.
That would be so cool.
I know,
Like,
it's
I
very
bet you they-
retro. Look at that.
Yeah. That's what I like to see is like the old school attraction
Like
signs.
that's the only one that has that. So I don't know if
If it actually had it or not.
Oh, there's another one.
1955. I wonder if it did. There's a
So
big
Orlando
photo.
is 23 miles that way. Cape Kennedy, that's where we're going, right? Cape Kennedy,
Yeah,
60
that
miles
area.
east. So that's where we're heading that way.
I think it's that way. Or no way, it might be this way.
It says east
Oh,
this
this
way.
way? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
See the sign? It says Cape Kennedy. Yeah, I just read it. See, quite a ways, man. Oh, where would that town is over there? Is that Orlando? 23 miles? That might be Orlando.
Oh, yeah.
See if I can zoom in. Yeah, it might be. That could be about 23 miles away. Let me just